Good Sunday morning, everyone. Cambrell Marshall, KPRC Channel 2 meteorologist. Our pre-dawn temperatures once again much warmer than the norm. We normally are about 43 degrees. We're at 64 at Bush Cady Hobby Airport, Galveston at 67 degrees. Warm increased shower chances for this morning. Today, mid-70s for highs. We got to 77 yesterday. Will be about 75, 76 degrees today with about a 30% rain chance as opposed to 20% yesterday. You'll notice a few more streamer showers. The lower levels of the atmosphere very moist right now, so we'll continue to see that. As for tomorrow, the holiday, we'll have some wet parades, I'm afraid, and also the possibility of a couple of isolated thunderstorms. That'll happen primarily in the afternoon, but you notice 64 degrees with those winds out of the east at 8 miles an hour. That's helped to kind of keep the fog issue that we had yesterday at bay. Notice that there aren't any issues as far as the visibilities are concerned. There are some marine dense fog issues off to the east of us, but for the most part, the Galveston Bay and Galveston area, not much of a problem. You do notice those showers that we can see there coming through Fort Bend and eastern Harris County, coming up from Brazoria County as well. We didn't see that yesterday. We'll see more of that type of shower activity today, streamer showers as they move on. All of it moving up to the north, where this warm front is rising to the north, and it's causing all kinds of problems to the north. We saw this yesterday with all of these freezing rain and snow and winter advisories going on in the Panhandle in northern Oklahoma and Kansas, which is really a problem in Kansas City over here, where the NFL game is scheduled to be played tonight. They moved it from the afternoon to tonight because of precisely this problem. And this issue goes not only for here, but also stretches farther to the east as well. That's going to be a real problem. Look at all of the area that's outlined there with the winter storm advisories. So they've got a very dangerous situation there. Do not travel in that area if you can avoid it. I want you to notice the problems that are being caused by these fronts that have kind of stalled out. A warm front is rising to the north. As you notice, our wind goes to the north. Area of low pressure will be moving in this direction. That's creating more lift, and that's going to create our rain chances for the weekend. Here's what's causing a lot of the issues as well. Warmer temperatures to the south. Yesterday, Dallas was in the 30s, now in the 40s, but the colder air is still up to the north with Wichita and Omaha, 29, 32, and even colder up to the north. That warm air moving up to the north, raining on cold surfaces. It's what's caused all the problems there to the north here. Notice the water vapor loop. You notice this area, this upper level low, and we also notice another one coming from behind it. That's why we have the succession of rainy days coming up for our week. All of these are going to provide uplift and energy from those, creating uplift over us that will give us those bigger chances of rain. Futurecast model that shows pretty well times out to what the actual conditions are going into today, this afternoon. Light shower chances, but notice what goes on there in the overnight hours going into Monday. Strong storms up in Oklahoma, the tail end of it coming down in our area. And you'll notice that for us, as we go to tomorrow morning, we'll see these showers really starting to happen in the morning. Stronger storms to the north, but that's 7:30 on Monday, putting that more in motion. You see the rain showers stick around through the afternoon as well on Monday. Going into Tuesday, this elongates and sags to the south. There's a chance for some of us to see some isolated street flooding as a result of that going into Tuesday. Highs this afternoon in the mid-70s, much like we had yesterday, so still much warmer than we've had over the last couple of days. The Chevron Houston Marathon going on this morning. Increased rain chances with the temperatures warmer than normal. They've told the runners to try to take it easy because the conditions could be dangerous if they try to press. Mid-70s is not ideal running weather, but the winds are going to pick up in the afternoon as well throughout the day. Now for the parades tomorrow, we're going to have, as we said, increased rain chances with temps 68 to 71 to 75 degrees. Temperature's not going to be the problem. The rain is going to be the problem. Look at this 10-day forecast. Temperatures are well above norms. We've got a rainy week ahead, though. As I said, on that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday time period, there is a chance for some isolated flooding with those rain chances as they come through. So a rainy week, but a warmer than normal week ahead. Enjoy.